This is very dangerous decision against Al Jazeera and against the international media at all, because at least it's clear that they want to prevent from any others to know what is happening in this war in Gaza, inside Israel, in the West Bank.
ישראל והסיתו נגד חיילי צה"ל. הגיע הזמן לסלק את השופר של חמאס מהמדינה שלנו.
All the equipments were taken away from one of our live positions. The safety of our journalists is very important. We will continue to abide by the law, and I think in the coming days we will try to pursue all legal paths to counter this. But for now, the coverage will continue, the impartial coverage will continue. We will make sure that we report both sides, despite the fact that we have lost the coverage from inside Israel. We are not able to operate there, but we have other kind of methods to news gathering, and we will continue to be committed to the objective coverage that we have been committed to from the beginning of this war.